Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Bunkel FFS and I will be giving a Pokemon comment. All the Japanese guy have seen to go off, so now fighting Max, using legendaries, however not Uber, so not that I actually am sad about it. I'm going around with Swellow, with Gastrodon, and with Smeargle. That will be my team. Gastrodon has been in every team so while, so certainly against those guys, those people seems to have done a pretty good job. Simi only uses Regis and Holy Birds. Shouldn't get too hard.
Zapdos.
This will be my 8th video. Still haven't got any questions I can answer, so please ask me things or something. Guess now I don't have anything to talk about anymore. Apart from knowledge my Pokemon do. But hey, there we go. But I'm only doing this for like a week, so. Alright, it's my 7th video by the way, not my 8th. Making a mistake. Should have a week anniversary for it. Totally forgotten the stats of the Holy Birds and Regis. Congrats. So that should make a fine title. Regirock. That shouldn't get too hard. There we go. This seems like a fairly easy fight. I'm gonna bother to reflect to use counter. No, he has lost anyways. Why do I keep fighting the moves? Don't lose Regis if you don't know how to work with them. Oh, the kill. That was probably my most boring fight I've ever done. Was against legendaries. Thank you for the fight, Max. My name is FFS, and I will see you next time.